Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today let's build a radio. With podcasts, streaming, and Bluetooth speakers everywhere, fewer people are listening to FM radio these days. In fact, try to find a Bluetooth speaker with a tuner built in. So today we're building a small custom FM radio. The heart of this project is this FM tuner. I found it on Amazon for about $6. Nothing fancy, but it does the job. I spent a little extra time designing the enclosure for this one. The front panel holds the FM tuner and 4 small 3/4-inch speaker drivers. This has a left and a right chamber for stereo sound. And I added a USB Type-C breakout board for the power. Now this thing is definitely not a powerhouse. I believe the amp is only about 3 watts per channel. So we're not shaking the walls here. This is more of a shop, desk, garage, or background noise kind of build. Now let's wire it up. After the first test, I did have to add an antenna to it to get better reception. But once that was added, it works surprisingly well. Now it's not super loud, but just for comparison, let's compare it to this Tivoli PAL. There's really no comparison. The Tivoli wins hands down. When I build these projects, in many ways I MacGyver them. I look at what I have around me, and that's the build. For this project I did buy the tuner, but the speakers were left over from a previous project. Let's try to make this one a little bit better. I dug around some more and I found some 2-watt 1 1/4-inch drivers. Maybe this can save the build. Now we just move it all to the new enclosure. Wow, this is a big improvement in sound. It sounds a lot better, and honestly, this is kind of fun to have around. So what do you think? Is a FM radio still worth having? And would you use a FM radio in a 3D printed enclosure? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.